Welcome to Windows Academy. Let us see how we can solve this. Remember, many students avoid this, and this is not a play. If you're a math teacher, you understand what I'm saying. Okay, let's get started. How do we carry a direct division? Remember, you are not going to do um, conversion to anybody before direct division. So let's start with this is 1 0 1 0 1 0 divided by 1 1 0. One law is that this side is the dividend and this is the divisor, and this is quotient. Whatever you get is the quotient. Now, one law, dividend must be greater than divisor for you to have 1. So let's go. 1 1 0, 1 divide 1 1 0, you can't go, you put 0. That is true. Then after the first one, you go for the 2 digits. 1 0 divided by 1 1 0, you can't go, put 0 again. Still not there. Then 1 0 1 divided by 1 1 0, it can still go, put 0. That is the truth. Now 1 0 1 0 divided by 1 1 0, it can, this is 1, be provided that what you have in the dividend is now greater than the divisor, you have 1 as the result. That was what I did. This is not the only lesson I've done. There are a lot of videos I've done on this, so you can always check other options for you. Then when you multiply 1 multiplied by 1 1 0, you also put the digit under 0 1 1. See the one I'm placing them. Then you subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 0 minus 1 is 1. So you have 1 0 0. So what do? You bring this one down. Repeat the process. 1 1 0 0 1 divided by 1 1 0. The answer is also going to be 1. You see, under 1, I'm putting it. 1 multiplied by 1 1 0 is going to be 1 1 0. Let me tidy up this part. Good. So what is going to be my answer? My answer is going to be 1. We subtract. This is 1. This is going to be 1. So every other thing is 0, because if I take this out, it becomes 0. If I borrow 1 from this one, it's going to be 2. 2 I'm borrowing, and put 2 here. But I want to target, I take this out, it remains 1. I borrow that 2 and put here. 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then bring 0 down. So this is what we'll have. So what do? You bring the last 0 down. Put it here. So we have 1 1 0 divided by 1 1 0. The answer is going to be 1. 1 times 1 1 0 is 1 1 0. 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 is 0. Therefore, if I have this answer, which is, if I have this answer, which is 1 0 1 0 1 0, divide by 1 1 0, all in base 2, my answer is going to be 1 1 1 in base 2. This is how we got it. Maybe there are a few things I did which may be confusing to you. You can use the comment section, ask your question, and I will be attending to you right after that immediately. Thank you for being part of this class, and have a nice time.